What's going on, guys? So today I'm going to be installing a badgeless grill on my Subi. Got it off eBay for pretty cheap. Looks really good, so let's get to it. First I'm going to be taking off these front grill pieces. And then you just put the little plastic push pins back in place, and there you go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a lot more performance stuff coming up pretty soon, just waiting on a few more parts. I might update you guys before that as to what I'm going to be doing and what the plans are. Thanks for watching.